Rick Savage may be one of the governor's more vocal critics when it comes to her plan to get businesses back up and running, but there are others. And today the governor had something to say to them. News Center Maine's Don Kerrigan is here with that. Don.
Hi, Cindy. Some of this clearly is political, but some is also business frustration. But it's clear that a portion of Maine's population is trying to force Governor Mills to change her mind and back off on the restrictions she put in place. There's another rally scheduled for tomorrow in Augusta, and that's just one of the ways the governor's opponents are pushing back. When protesters rallied outside the Blaine House 2 weeks ago, they said it was time for Maine's economy to be restarted after the more than month-long shutdown, demanding businesses be able to start up and people free to do what they want. Governor Mills did ease restrictions slightly when she announced her plan on Tuesday, but tourist businesses in particular are angered by her plan to continue that 14-day self-quarantine on people coming into the state.
I've been involved in the tourism industry, both as a young person and now as an insurance agent. And I have people who are frightened to death that their life and livelihoods are going to be gone.
State Senator Robert Foley from Wells says he was so frustrated that he fired off a letter to the governor yesterday and posted it on Facebook, highly critical of Mills, suggesting a special session of the legislature, which he admits is not likely. But Foley says the governor's current plan cannot be the answer.
What I really hope is going to happen is I'm hoping that the governor and her administration will start to engage the business community, the legislators, the public into this ongoing discussion to try and salvage the summer that all of us need and want. To shut down Maine's economy for the summer will devastate this state beyond years.
The issue has also become part of the Republican primary for Congress in the 2nd District. Candidate Dale Crafts posted a message Thursday saying he and some business owners are talking about filing a class action lawsuit to block the governor's plan.
I don't really want to even see that happen, Don. We just want to see the governor sit down with more business people and communicate.
Kraft says the effort is not political, but his opponents in the Republican primary, Adrian Bennett and Eric Brakey, have also been speaking out on the issue to build support in the 2nd District. The governor and Economic Development Commissioner Heather Johnson have said they want to find ways to back off on some requirements, especially the 14-day self-quarantine, but don't have the answer yet. All of this building pressure on Governor Mills to change her plan, even as some Maine businesses have begun to reopen. And at Friday's briefing, Governor Mills defended her decisions as necessary to fight the pandemic.
With every order I've issued, every action I've taken, I've thought long and hard about how Maine people and Maine businesses will be impacted. These are some of the most difficult decisions any governor has ever had to make, in consultation, of course, with the people and the businesses affected, but always with the public health as our first priority.
Protesters are expected to show up at the Blaine House Saturday with different ideas. Now, among other issues, the Mills administration has said it is still considering whether there can be a way to allow some of those northern rural counties with few cases to reopen sooner, but no decisions on that yet. Cindy, back to you.